Use the proper drill bit and drilling method for the material you're drilling. Porcelain or granite may need special drill bits. First, find a good location for your RO faucet. Any flat surface where drilling a hole will not damage pipes or wiring will work. Use your power drill and 1/2-inch drill bit to make a hole for your RO faucet. You can also use an existing hole of the appropriate size. Put the small rubber washer, the base plate, then the large rubber washer through the stem to the base of the faucet. Then put the faucet stem through the hole. Make sure your faucet sits in the middle of the hole. Under the counter, put the plastic washer, lock washer, then hex nut onto the stem. Make sure they are secured all the way to the top. Take your 1/4-inch blue tubing and push the faucet adapter onto the tube. Tighten the faucet adapter onto the faucet stem.